To make kheer, start with boiled rice. Add the boiled rice to milk and let it cook. Next, incorporate ghee and caramel sugar. Then, mix in some milk powder. And don't forget to add a splash of kheera for that aromatic touch. Finally, embellish with dry fruits and saffron and serve it in a traditional clay pot. Begin your kheer by adding boiled rice into the milk. As it simmers, stir in some ghee to enrich the flavor. Next, sprinkle in caramel sugar for a delightful sweetness, followed by milk powder to thicken the consistency. A dash of kheera will enhance the fragrance, making the kheer even more tempting. Once you've added the boiled rice to the milk, let it cook slowly. Stir in the ghee to bring out a rich, buttery flavor. Follow this by adding caramel sugar, which gives a beautiful color and a deep, sweet taste. Milk powder is next, to help thicken the kheer. A hint of kheera adds a lovely scent that's hard to resist. After the rice has absorbed the flavors of milk, ghee, caramel sugar, and milk powder, it's time to add the final touches. Sprinkle some dry fruits and saffron into the kheer. The dry fruits add a delightful crunch, and the saffron offers a luxurious color and flavor. Serve this delicious kheer in a clay pot to enhance its traditional appeal.